Looks like she's doing some cheering, and today's a good day to cheer. This comes with love from Granny and Papa.
Happy birthday, Brinley. We wish a happy birthday to Daisy Ellison of Weir, Kansas. You finally have hit double digits, Daisy. Happy birthday.
You know, I know what that's like. We just had ours hit double digits not long ago. Carson Hurlbert is turning 11 in Pittsburgh. We are sending a very happy birthday to Carson.
Happiest of birthdays, Carson. Happy birthday to Brendan Burns of Pittsburgh, Kansas. He is turning 26 today and is receiving much love from Grandma and Grandpa.
We're also celebrating Chris Waring in Liberal, turning 38 years old today. A very happy birthday to a man with a very fantastic name. Chris is a perfect name, don't you agree?
We are wishing a happy birthday to Tammy Nitch. Tammy is turning 53 years young, and she shares the hometown of our very own Jacob Leonard's over at Yates Center.
All right, so Yates Center is a beautiful community. I've been there myself. Jim Cook turning 80 years young in Jasper. Boy, Jim, when I reach 80, I hope I look as good as you do, because you look pretty darn good for being 80 years old. Jim, goodness. A very happy birthday to you, Jim.
We are wishing a happy birthday to Gloria Hayward. Her birthday was yesterday, but after reaching 81 years young, we're just going to celebrate every day.
We are also celebrating Richard Hayward, turning 60 in Altamont. This is Gloria's son, and Richard's birthday was yesterday. A very happy birthday to Richard.
We are wishing a happy birthday to Lori Graham of Pittsburgh.
You have skipped a bit, my friend.
Oh, I apologize.
We're celebrating so many birthdays, though, today.
I know, we've got a long list today. We are celebrating Alicia Norton of Girard, and she's getting a special happy birthday from her 2 daughters.
All right, now we get to celebrate Laurie Graham in Pittsburgh. Laurie, this birthday, they called you out here. This is a happy birthday from your employees. So somebody's trying to create a little favor with the boss.
Yeah, we
but
see
Laurie,
what you
a very
did there, guys.
happy birthday to you.
We are wishing a happy anniversary to Caleb and Rachel Morgan of Carthage.
Celebrating 8 years there. Ken and Helen Kelly of Columbus, celebrating their 55th wedding anniversary. 55 glorious years. A very happy anniversary to you, Ken and Helen. We also have Bonnie Merritt celebrating a birthday today, McCune. Bill Wells celebrating a birthday yesterday officially, but it's all right. We can celebrate 2 days in a row in Crestline. Ross Westervelt celebrating in Columbus, and Diane Evans turning 39 in Mound Valley. Now, here's Jalen Banks with a very important birthday announcement.
Here's me.
You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses as well. So go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club.